Vowels and consonants. In the English language, we have the alphabet. In it, there are five vowels and the rest are consonants. But Y is a special vowel. We have the following set of words. So first, let us take a look of the words in Y as a vowel. Fly, cry, fry, system, gym. In all these words, Y has a sound of a vowel. That's why Y is a vowel in these words. Now, in the next set of words, year, yes, yet, and yell, the sound is of Y as a consonant. The sound is year. That's why in these words, Y is considered a consonant. So it depends upon the pronunciation of the letter Y in the word. The articles a and the. The article a is used before a consonant, singular nouns. It is a non-definite article. Example, car and a table. Here, the subjects are not specific. The article n is used before a vowel, singular nouns, and it is also a non definite article. An apple, an ant. Here also, the nouns are not specific. Sound of the first letter. An honest person, an honor to have you. In both these sentences, the words have H as the first letter, which is a consonant. Still, we used the article and before these words. Why is that? Because when speaking, H is omitted and O is pronounced, which is a vowel. It depends on the sound. The article the. Used with plural nouns, used after of, used when talking about a specific noun, and it is definite. Let us read the book. She wrote in the pages. The pages were of the notebook. In all these sentences, the words the book, the pages, the notebook are specific, which means we know which book we are talking about, which pages we are talking about, and which notebook we are talking about. Definite article and non-definite articles. Here, in the first sentence, the girl who came yesterday is sitting on the couch right now. We know which girl we are talking about. That's why we use the article the. In the second sentence, a girl is sitting on the couch right now. We don't know which girl we are talking about. It could be any girl. So that's why we used non-definite article, which is a. So it depends upon the specificness of the noun, whether we use the or a or an. Variation in the pronunciation of the article the. It depends on the first letter of the word. The girls are watching the TV. The apples are rotten. In the second sentence, A is a vowel, and in the first sentence, G is a consonant. We use the when the first letter of the word is a consonant, and we use the when the first letter is a vowel. Thanks for watching. Bye and subscribe.